Hello. Hello. This is Evelina Pizzarina, the best show ever.
Jill, who are you, Jill?
I am Evelina Pizzarina. This is Jill. And we're doing a sled thing. My name is Everett, but Jill, they and her dad calls me Evelina Pizzarina.
Jill, you gotta go sideways so the camera can see you.
So sorry. Always out here, if you're in the seat, if you're in your house and you're not sledding and you're not driving, then it's okay. You can see this Evelina Pizzarina show. It's the best ever.
With your co-host, Jilly Pickle.
With my co-host, Jilly Pickle. So, and Daddy is a little excited tonight. Tonight was yeah, Jill is crazy. Yeah. I know her hat is pretty good. But I really need to get at home and wash my hands by the fire. We're gonna keep doing Evelina Pizzarina shows, but